guys, it's Allison. So today's video is going to be a weekend in my life vlog, and I did not film an intro, so here's the intro now. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, comment down below any videos from to the next, subscribe them below if you're new to my channel, and post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And let's get started. So this is my Valentine's Day outfit for the school, and I just have my regular jewelry on, Amazon red shirt, 7 to Mankind jeans, and my Reebok sneakers. And I put on fake lashes, so we're gonna head to school, work for 4 hours, and be right back. And tonight for Valentine's Day, me and my fiance are gonna be cooking steak, so hopefully I film a little bit and put it into the video, but I'm gonna film a whole weekend, so yeah, stay tuned. Look over here. What is it?
I know it's sideways. See?
Right?
No, potatoes.
We're going to the aquarium.
Oh, there's two big turtles. Look. See how he swims? This is the fish show.
Fish?
How many fish do you see? 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish, 4 fish.
I see it now.
Is that what he colored those? You should go inside the tube with her and I'll take a picture.
She said those, Mama.
This is for Guardians of the Galaxy again? Oh no, not me. This is where we just are with the sharks. You see the sharks behind.
This was me eating tanghulu for the first time. I've always wanted to make it or try it. So I got the grape one and it was really good. The grape was super good. And I wanted to try the strawberry one, but they didn't have it. Okie dokie, so I just went to the mall, as you saw from the last clip. We went to the aquarium, we went shopping, we ate dinner, we ate gelato, and now we're back home. So we're gonna do a quick haul before the baby wakes up because she's sleeping right now. So we're gonna do this haul before she wakes up. First place I went to was Bath and Body Works. I went there because the Disney Princess collection came out and I wanted to smell. I got 3 sprays. The Princess Tiana one, the Belle one, and the Jasmine one. I didn't like how the Cinderella smelled. It was buy 3 get 1 free, so my mom got the Tiana one. And then I also got Little Tiana's Place, like hand sanitizer holder. I thought this was super duper cute. And I got a hand sanitizer to go with it. It's just Fiji white sands. Got the lavender and vanilla aromatherapy shea butter and cleansing bar. Went to American Eagle to find jeans. I couldn't find jeans. And then I stopped in Aritzia to find jeans. Couldn't find jeans, but then I ended up with stuff from Aritzia. I feel like that's the only expensive store that I would buy stuff from. First thing I got was baseball cap. I got my hair in a bun, but oh, I'm stylish or whatever. Let's keep that on for now. I got best ever crew socks from the TNA brand. And then I got paper. I got these sweatpants. These are the Sweat Fleece, Cozy Fleece mega cargo sweatpants. They have the pockets on the side and they just look like this at the bottom. And then I got a sweater to match, so it's a regular sweatshirt. Let me go get my baby real quick. Back, my mom has the baby now, so we are gonna move on to Uniqlo. We got her pair of leggings, another thing of leggings, another thing of leggings, and a shirt. This is like a little spring jacket, which is really cute. Pants, which they looked comfortable, so they're just kind of like knitted legging kind of pants. Then I got these pants. These are women cotton relaxed ankle pants. They just look like this. I was thinking of wearing these to work because I'm always wearing leggings, so something different when the springtime comes. And then I got this jacket, which is cute. I got a sweatshirt, a zip-up hoodie. Could not find the dress. Probably it's in my brother's car. I hope to God it's in my brother's car because that dress was nice and I was gonna wear it for an occasion, so hopefully it's in his car. But that junk was $39.90. But yeah, so we went to Levi's because still looking for jeans, like I said from the beginning. So I finally found a pair. These are the 721 high-rise skinny. Perfect. So I got them in a light color. I got them in the simple black ones. So yeah, those are the two colors I usually wear, a light one and a black one. So yeah, and then we also got, my mom got a bag and she got a bag. She got these for us. So I got this bag. Don't you see a vision with these? So nice. And then she got this bag. So super duper cute. So that was my haul. Let's move on with the video. I'm rushing over to my nail appointment right now. I got like 10 minutes to get there, so let's see what time we get there. It's 9:50 now, and I'll let you know the time when I get there. Made it in 6 minutes. So it's the next day. I did not explain what I got done to my nails, but I basically got gel extension. My real nails are under there, but I got some extension so all the nails were even because some were breaking. So I basically just got a regular pink color. I was gonna do a different color. I was gonna put design on my nails, but I ended up not doing that. I just went simple. I thought this nail color was actually gonna be a bit darker, but it ended up being like a bubblegum pink color, but that's okay. I'm not very picky, you know. I just wanted to get my nails done, and that's what I did. And then I came home, and then I went out to eat with my fiance, his parents, and the baby. And that was the first time the baby ever sat in a high chair. All the other times we've been out to eat, she's been sitting in her car seat. She bit on the table. Luckily, I had cleaned the table before that. Maybe she did that because I did that. I'm not sure. What do you think, Zari? Did you bite the table because I wiped the table, or did you bite the table because you were interested? she was moving that high chair like crazy somehow, and she did not want to stay still. She didn't want to eat her puff that she usually does when we usually eat, or like her pouch. But then she ended up sitting next to her grandmother, and then she took care of her and got her to drink her pouch, and basically she fell asleep on her, so that was good. And then we came back home, and then I got ready for today because today I had work, so yeah. And then I did also find the dress. It was actually in my brother's car. He checked for me and it was there, so then he brought it to me. I'll insert a little clip right here of how the dress looks. So looks like this. It's long and it's padded, so you don't have to wear a bra with this. So yeah, luckily it was in the car. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.